First, we change the font to Times New Roman. To do this, go to the Home menu, then in the Font Style section. Find and select Times New Roman. The font size can be adjusted next to the font type setting, changing the size to 12. Then, we set the line spacing to 1.5. Still in the Home menu, click Line and Paragraph Spacing and select 1.5 spacing. OK, next, we set the paper size. To set the paper size, go to the Layout menu and select Size, then choose A4 paper size. Finally, we set the margin size. Still in the Layout menu, select Margins and choose Custom Margins. After that, set the top, right, bottom, and left margins to 4 cm. Then click OK to save the settings. Easy, right? I hope this tutorial is helpful. If you find the explanation above unclear, I encourage you to leave your questions in the comments section below. See you in the next video.